Hello Mounties, it's so great to be back and to get to see you in one form or another. I'm so very excited to create with you. I'm Miss Hade and welcome to the Communication Arts Studio. It will look a little bit different, but that doesn't mean it won't be a place of great imagination. I have the pleasure of teaching yearbook first hour, and then 2 hours of introduction to broadcasting, second and third, and then I have advanced broadcasting, 5th hour during this first trimester. We're going to need everyone's help, whether you're in our class or not, because we want to make sure everyone has a voice. Whether you're home and not in our classes, in our classes, we want to know what's going on with you so that we can make sure we have something for everyone in the yearbook or on our television station. We hope you have a great first few days of school, and we'll see you with our cameras.